Okay, guys, I am going to give you, for men over 50, advice on what I would give Elon Musk to get rid of the belly fat. First, I want you to see the video, and I'll interrupt it as we go to tell you what we could do better for Elon.
I wonder what's like a day like for like Elon Musk.
I'll like go to sleep around 3 a.m. thereabouts, and then I'll wake up around usually about 6.5 hours later.
Okay, that's problem number one. You'll notice this is a video that was done back in 2022, and you can see Elon here where he has the definite belly fat right there. Now, granted, I don't know what his measurement is, but I do know that he, a couple months after this interview, he went on Wegovy, which is the injection for getting rid of fat. He also then later switched to I believe Mounjaro. So maybe the Wegovy didn't continue to work for him. Who knows? But either way, he chose to get injections to solve a metabolic problem. Here is a man who is trying to colonize Mars. But while he's doing that, he unfortunately is ruining his biological makeup on the inside, which is why he has that belly fat. Now, somebody might say, well, Janina, isn't it just he has bad eating habits? No. First and foremost, as an elite health strategist, I can tell you right now, anybody who goes to bed at 3 a.m. in the morning is going to miss out on the most critical period of time to build up testosterone. Because men, if your testosterone level goes down, your cortisol, which is the stress hormone, is going to go up. And that's going to mean that your body's going to hang on to fat. So this is how I would fix or help Elon get his body back in balance so that he can have more testosterone and less belly fat, or actually unlock that belly fat. Because here's what happens, guys. When you guys are asleep at night, you're not eating. That's the time your body should be going into the fat stores around your belly, utilizing that fat, burning it to keep you alive, because you've got all these different organs that need energy. Well, when Elon goes to sleep, his organs aren't utilizing the fat from his belly to stay alive. And that's what's not healthy, because if you notice, you'll look, he doesn't have very big muscles. And I think later he's going to talk about going to the gym, and we'll talk more on that in a moment.
I have a bad habit, which I suspect a lot of people do, of like immediately checking my phone just to see like any emergencies happen overnight or whatever.
know.
But I think I want to change that to like I got to work out and be in better shape. I actually don't really.
Okay, he says he wants to consider working out to get in better shape. Elon, let me tell you, instead of working out to get in better shape, all I'm going to have you do is shift your 6 hours of sleep and move it from 10 p.m. or at least 11 p.m. at the latest, and sleep your 6 hours during that period of time, because Mother Nature has it all planned out. During that period of time, between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. in the morning is when your body's going to go into repair mode. Your body's going to go into cleanup mode. Those are two important things that need to happen so that you can, number one, clean up what's going on inside. Number two, build muscle. And when that is not going on, you're going to end up like you see right now. You have a belly, and you ended up having to go on a weight loss drug, which is, by the way, a temporary Band-Aid. It's not going to solve the root cause of his problem. He needs to shift the sleeping period. So Elon, 6 hours is fine. It's just you're getting the 6 hours at the wrong time. Switch that to 10 p.m. and wake up 6 hours later. You'll be a lot less chubby around the midsection, and you'll have much higher testosterone.
Really like working out, but I'm going to switch from, just immediately looking at my phone first thing in the morning to, I don't know, just working out for at least 20 minutes and then looking at my phone.
I wonder what's like a
Okay,
day.
so on that note, if he did want to work out because maybe working out decreases stress, I can understand that process. I would say, Elon, if you enjoy working out and it helps you to relieve stress, then knock yourself out, and you're doing it correctly by doing it in the morning. The worst thing anybody can do is to work out late at night. So that's the other no-no. Do not work out late at night. Hopefully you guys learned something from this. And if you are over the age of 50 and you want some tweaks to get you to burn off belly fat without having to set foot in the gym, subscribe to my channel so that you'll get more of videos like this. And I'll see you on the next one.